Today we are going to learn to crochet this beautiful headband. This style goes for babies and adults. I have attached a scrunchie and a band that gives a complete and perfect finishing. I'm using 100% cotton yarn and 2.5 mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, one scrunchie and one scissor. Attach the yarn to this scrunchie, make one slip knot. Insert the hook inside the scrunchie and pull the yarn through the scrunchie. Make one single crochet like this. Make total 10 single crochet in the scrunchie. Eight, 9 and 10. We are done with our 10 single crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn the work, count this chain as one double crochet and make one double crochet in the next. This is our one double crochet, second double crochet, third, 4 and 5. Now let's make 15 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 15. After 15 chain, make one double crochet in the 6th chain. We made 5 double crochet, 15 chain and 6th double crochet in the 6th chain. Seventh double crochet, this is our 8th double crochet, 9 double crochet, 10 double crochet, chain 3, turn the work, count this chain as one double crochet and make double crochet in the next chain. 2 double crochet we have, 3, 4 and 5th double crochet. After 5 double crochet, make 20 single crochet in this chain. From here to here, make 20 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. This is our 20th single crochet. We are done with 20 single crochet. Now pull the loop a little bit loose and insert the hook in the first single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet. Insert the hook in the very first single crochet or 6th chain and pull this loop through this single crochet. Make one chain and close this. Now make 5 double crochet from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, make 3 chain, turn the work, make second double crochet in next chain, third double crochet, 4th double crochet and 5th double crochet in 5th chain. Now make 15 chain again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, 15. Make one double crochet in 6th double crochet. Ignore this and make double crochet in 6th chain. chain 3, make 1 double crochet and next chain. This is our 1 double crochet. We are making second double crochet. Make 20 single crochet in this chain space. Pull the loop a little bit big or loose and insert the hook in the very first single crochet and pull the loop through this single crochet and make one chain and close it. We made 2. Now start your double crochet from the 6th to 10th. Now 1 double crochet in the chain. Chain 3, turn the work, make 5 double crochet. After 5 double crochet, make 15 chain. 6th double crochet in the 6th chain. Chain 3, turn the work. See this? Now make 20 single crochet in this chain space. After 20 single crochet, insert the hook in the very first single crochet and pull the loop and make chain 1. Like this, please continue and repeat the process, and I will show you how to assemble this section, this pattern, and make one beautiful and complete headband. Now I raised at my desired length. This is all 24 centimeter including this scrunchie, and this size I made for 6-month-old baby. Now let's finish and give it a complete and beautiful look. Now let's make 10 single crochet. Leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Now let's give a design to this part we have left. Now let's attach this to this. Secure this using the tapestry needle. Our beautiful headband is now ready. Let's tie this scrunchie, give it a different look. 5 single crochet here. Chain 1 and cut the yarn and make it seamless using the needle. Here you go. Our beautiful headband is ready. I hope you understand the process. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more such video. Thank you for watching.